with shapes, and we all know how fun shapes are. So I have 5 activities, and each group has a different activity. My first activity is called tactile shapes, so it's touching shapes. So you're either going to do shaving cream, and draw the shapes. Should have done that last. Thank you. Or if you don't want to touch it, you can use the goop and draw the shapes. All right. My second activity is shape printing. You're going to take my fun shape stamps in here, and I'm going to make a shape picture. Yay! My second or third activity is a shape garden. You have an activity kit. In here, there's markers, there's glue, there's scissors, and there's all the shapes in here, and they're all bilingual. So you're also, this is what it could look like. Your fourth activity is shape matching. So you have all these shapes that are different. There's different shapes, and it's like a memory game. And not all the shapes are the same size, so they could be different types of shapes. And my last one is 3-dimensional shapes. We're going to take these fun shapes that I have and use Play-Doh to model them, and then there is a matching to real world objects. So, yeah, the standards are right here. They're measurement and geometry for kindergarten. Let's see. I have all my assessments up here.
Want to talk a little bit about those?
5 minutes?
What are your assessments? What are they?
They are, this one is, you're gonna actually have the students draw the shapes after they've experimented with drawing them with their hands. This one is just a simple one. It's seeing if they use multiple shapes, if there was effort, if they used their time wisely, and if they did need patterning, which is an advanced skill. For the shape concentration, the matching one, they have to point to the shape and identify them. And then for the 3D shapes, they will do this again. So just the matching to the real world object. And as far as accommodating diverse needs, the first one, for the shaving cream, the one that's in the bag is for those who have sensory issues who don't want to actually get their hands dirty. The second one, let's see, I have all my list. Yeah, the second one, the challenge is to actually pattern with the shapes. The shape garden one, this one, you can do more, less, and equal. So if you say, do you have, what shapes do you have more of? Do you have more circles and squares? Do you have more triangles? How many more? The shape concentration, there are different sizes in here. So if they were going to, if it was too hard, they could just do every triangle to every triangle. So not necessarily isosceles to isosceles, but just any triangle matches any triangle, and big rectangle matches the little rectangle. And the 3D shapes, you can challenge the students by asking them where they would find them in the classroom and where they could find them outside their classroom. And then once they're finished, they put their stuff in there. I finished my work tray, and there's, behind every activity, there's a check-off list for every student to sign their name after they finish the activity, and then the teacher can go off and check what they finished.
Thank you.